One way to organize contacts very efficiently is using our bulk update option. You can bulk update several contacts at once with a single action. So let's take a look at this. To use the bulk update, you're going to select the contacts. You can just tap on the check marks next to each name. Then you can select the bulk change icon. See that along the bottom there. And then make your selection. Select the stage, the segment, the tag, whatever you'd like to add, and then tap on save. And this will update all the contacts in one action. So you can see in this example, I'm tapping on the check marks next to their names, selecting some contacts. Then I tap on the bulk change icon, and then I make my selection, selecting a stage and a segment. And then I tap on save. This is going to update all of the contacts I selected in one action, as you can see here. You can do the exact same thing for tags. In fact, you can apply tags and stages and segments all at the same time. To select all contacts at once, tap on the check mark along the top of the screen. You can then make any change you'd like from there. So you could first filter the view and then tap on the check mark along the top of the screen to select them all. You can also bulk remove in a single action as well. So select your search. So in this case, I'm going to remove Garden Club. Select all the contacts, tap on that check mark, and then tap on the bulk change icon. I can then select what I want to remove. In this case, I'm removing the Garden Club tag. When I tap on save, that's going to remove the tag that I've previously set.